Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to create a simple fake virus using Visual Basic, so you won't need any third-party apps. Let's start.
Okay, first of all, open File Explorer, the yellow folder at the bottom, then click on View. Then click on Show and make sure that the checkbox for showing file extensions is ticked. Okay, now we can start. First, right-click on the desktop, then go to the New option, and then click on Text Document. Now you can give the file any name you like. Just make sure that after you replace the file extension txt with VBS. You will get a notification. Just click Yes. Okay, at this point don't try to open the file by clicking on it. It won't work. But from now on, to open it you will have to right-click on it, select Open With, and choose Notepad. Here we could start programming. Okay, let's start by writing message box to be able to send a message on the screen, and rewrite the message in parentheses. I will simply write test. Now let's put a comma and insert a specific number to choose the message icon. These are all the numbers with their respective icons. Now let's insert another comma, and 2 more parentheses in which we will put the sender of the message. In this case I put virus.exe to make the fake virus believable. Now all that's left is to save something very important and test what we have done. Now as you can see it works. We get an error message from virus.exe with the word test on it. Okay, now let's simply try changing the icon by replacing 16 with 64 and see what happens. Okay, now we will see how to add different options to the message. All you need to do is add a plus sign and another specific number. As you can see, there are now 3 different options available. And these are all the numbers with their respective buttons that will be added. Now let's try another one. Okay, now let's try something more interesting. We would make him open a specific Chrome page. You just need to copy this command that I will leave in the description. Go to a new line, open the quotation marks, and insert the link inside. I chose this link as an example, but of course you can put any link you want. Now let's save the file and test it. As you can see, the program runs in order. So first it will show me the message, and then it will open the link using the default browser. Okay. To finish, I will show you how to repeatedly open the terminals. As before, I'll leave the code for you in the description, but let's go and analyze it. This line is mandatory to make it work, so simply copy it. Here you decide how many terminals to open by replacing the 5 with the number of terminals you want to open. So in this case, 5 will be opened. Here you can decide what to write about the terminals. I simply wrote hi. Here, by changing the number 400, you can decide how fast to open the terminals. And finally, you need to click Next to make the program work, but for now let's save it and try it out right away.
Now that we know these things, let's try to modify it. We'll open 15 terminals instead of 5 where we would write something else, and we would increase the speed at which they open. As you can see, multiple terminals have opened more quickly. For now, the tutorial ends here. If you have any suggestions for a new video, don't hesitate to ask, and I remind you to support the channel by liking, subscribing, and commenting. It would really help us a lot.